This is my whatever I have in the freezer casserole. First I start off with rinsing the rice. It takes some of the starch off and makes it not so sticky. I use the 1 knuckle method to measure the water. And then I have some cream of mushroom soup from Walmart. It's gluten-free. Then I add in whatever spices that I have. Here I use some oat milk to thin it out, and some green things and such, whatever I could find. Added some cheese to it too. And yes, I took out the green beans because the texture is yucky, especially when they've been frozen. Mix everything up together, and I had some pulled pork, so I added that on top too. Pour over my liquid and mix that in. Then bake at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes and enjoy. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Visit happysetta.com.